Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Saina Sethi and I'm very excited for today's video because आज से पहले मैंने ऐसी कोई वीडियो पोस्ट नहीं करी अपने YouTube चैनल पर. Although मैंने काफ़ी सारी रील्स Instagram पे ज़रूर अपलोड करी हैं. आपने टाइटल तो पढ़ ही लिया होगा. I am going to show you guys some hairstyles. So this is the season where there are a lot of weddings going on. You will be attending as wedding guests. There are also a lot of Indian parties that are happening. So I thought I should go ahead and make a video covering the hairstyles. In this video I'm going to show you guys 3 hairstyles that work well with almost all Indian outfits. But before I actually wanted to sit down and film this video, मेरा बहुत मन था काफ़ी टाइम से कि मैं थोड़ा सा हेयर कट करा लूँ so that my hair looks fresh and healthy and I'm ready for the शादी season. So I went ahead on the Urban Company app. You guys must have heard so much about it. I went ahead and booked myself an appointment with the salon expert. So the reason why I love Urban Company is because of their salon at home services, which means you can take up all the salon services at the comfort of your home and at the safety of your home. And I just really wanted to be shadi ready with Urban Company because they are having their salon spree. So of course it is very important that your outfit looks nice, your makeup looks nice, but it is just as important कि आपके बाल भी, आपके hair style बहुत अच्छे लगे. Just in case last moment में मुझे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है and I can't hit the salon, I know that I can rely on Urban Company because the professional will come to your home and actually provide you the service, so it saves up a lot of time. But I also know कि काफ़ी लोगों के मन में ये भी ख्याल आता होगा कि पता नहीं कौन घर पे आएगा, कौन आ रहा है. So don't worry about it because all the professionals are certified and verified by Urban Company and over 20 lakh women are actually using Urban Company services every single day. So let me just take you guys through my journey. So the best part about the entire service was that the professional was on time. He was wearing masks, everything was properly sanitized. Before I took the service, the professional neatly organized all the tools that he was going to use for the service. He also laid down a floor sheet before he had to cut my hair, so it saved all the mess. There was no mess that was made. The expert took care of everything, and before the haircut there was a consultation time where I could actually explain what I was looking forward to, what kind of a hairstyle I was looking forward to, and then he had also apply a hairspray so that my hair stays in place. All the products that he was using were top notch. I really liked the quality of everything, and honestly the only thing that was coming in my head was that कि घर पे haircut होगा तो काफ़ी messy हो जाएगा, but he took care of everything. He cleaned up all the mess, so there was definitely no mess that was left behind. So Urban Company has their salon spree going on, and there are a lot of services that you can actually take. You can try out their facials at home, haircuts, heatless hairstyling. You can also go ahead and get your nails done at home. So all the services are just one click away. You can absolutely go ahead and try out the Urban Company app. So I'm super excited to celebrate the Shadi season with Urban Company, and now let's move on with our video. So I'm actually very happy with how the haircut turned out. I'm loving the razor cut that I got. So the first hairstyle is very simple. I will begin by parting my hair from the middle and create 2 sections towards my ears, like I am showing you guys in the video. And first section mein I will show you how we'll work. I will take some amount of hair and divide it into 2 pieces, and then I'll twist it, and as I twist I will keep adding hair to it. As we reach towards the end of the ear, I will twist the leftover hair together and I'll take a pin and pin it at the back of my head. Now I will repeat the same steps on the other side as well. Now once you're done completing the hairstyle, you can sort of pull each strand so that your hair looks much more fuller. This is called the pancake effect. With this hairstyle, I absolutely love wearing a mang tika because it looks very nice. For the second hairstyle, I'm going to do a side parting and create a section in the front towards my ear and leave that hair aside. Then I'm going to pick up the rest of my hair and take it towards the back, and then I will start creating a regular braid. A very simple 3-strand regular braid is what I'm going to do at the back. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to pull out the hair from the braid so that the braid looks much more fuller, and this is called the pancake technique. Again, I'm going to leave that aside for now, and coming back to the front section again, I'm going to do the same twisted braid that I showed you guys in the first hairstyle. Just divide it into 2 strands, keep twisting it and keep adding hair to the braid as you go on and about. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to pin it at the back and pancake the twisted braid again. Then I'm going to roll over the braid that we created at the back and tie it with a rubber band. This will be a messy bun at the back and a twisted braid in the front. With this hairstyle, you can rock your pasas, and it will look really nice. So for this third hairstyle, I am going to keep the twisted braid in the front that we created for the second hairstyle. I'm going to pull all the hair towards one side and divide it into 2 sections. Then I am going to slowly keep adding small sections of hair towards each of the sides. So creating a fishtail braid. I'm sure you guys must have heard about the fishtail braid or the khajuri braid that we call it in Hindi. This is a very nice technique of sort of creating a very nice and intricate detailed braid. You just keep adding very small sections of hair towards each of the sides, and it will create a very nice fishtail braid effect. Once that is done, I will pancake this entire braid, and once you start doing this to your hairstyles, trust me, your hairstyles will look much more fuller, much more voluminous. So you can easily wear your choker jewelry pieces with this hairstyle, because creating this hairstyle will actually pull all your attention towards the jewelry as well as the hairstyle. So that's it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. These especially work great with the long hair, but just in case you don't have long hair, you can always work around with extensions. I think extensions will also help you to achieve these hairstyles. Nevertheless, if you guys also want to see some hairstyles for shorter hair, I can go ahead and do that. You can let me know in the comment section down below. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you're notified every single time that I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.